All right, it is March 8th, and this is the Rogue Trader Zigdao Bitcoin Options Fund Trading Summary. I'm going to get faster at saying that at some point. Good day. You know, the market's been holding a really tight range. The U.S. just opened just now, and the market's pushing up a little bit. We'll see if it pans out into anything or not. Let me just quickly share my screen here. And we can see that the account's at a new high. It was quite nice in terms of cash value. Where are we here? Cash balance 1.777. Fantastic stuff, considering when we opened this up at the beginning of November, we immediately went for a 30% move up over the course of the next 2 months, and we were having to do a lot of adjustments. So today what we did was we brought some risk forward. We wanted to start realizing a lot of this value. If you remember, we had to move some things a little bit further back in time as we're making adjustments as the market was moving. And it's always our intention to then bring risk forward whenever there's an opportunity. Vols came down. The volatility index, if I look at the D vol, which is the an average of the last 30 days, coming up a little bit, but it was at 68 for most of the day. So I went ahead and took advantage of that little lull in the action. It could go lower, but there's also a chance it can go higher. So took advantage of that. Now we can see our theta's $63 a day. That is a little high. We'll work on that. And we're still long delta. So we're still positioned that we think things are going to go up. And if it does, of course, we'll be sitting quite nicely. We've got lots of downside protection in place. If we take a look at our risk, if we go down 15%, we're looking at losing about 0.03 of a Bitcoin. But after the last candle, the little bit of a purge, we feel that's quite unlikely, but we continue to buy short-dated coverage. Now, let's not forget, if the market did go down and stay down a bit, we would adjust those positions, we'd pull that back in eventually. So, we have to take that risk matrix with a grain of salt, assuming that you're not actually doing anything. So I think we're pretty happy to go on the weekend to see where things go, and we'll see if this market can continue to work its way up, and you can see it's starting to poke its head up now. If we start getting above 69, it's on like Donkey Kong, and I think there'll be a lot of people happy over the weekend. But we'll see. A lot of times, it'll go up to highs and get everybody all excited, and pull back into the range. We'll see what happens there. So that's it for today, and we will see you on Monday.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, this is for silver members and above. If you go to Roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive live alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor. Head over to Roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.